Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the euro yen monthly, I think there's a pretty good chance this is a 1, 2, and 3. We had a big impulsive move down, but it really never broke structure, so we really can't say for sure that wave 3 is over. And all that really tells me is that there really is a possibility that it could just keep on drifting up. But looking at it on an Elliott wave terms, I mean, it does look like the end of a wave 3. It does look like it should be making a wave 4 and eventually going back up for a wave 5. If it really isn't a wave 4, then probably with the time scale, it's probably going to be around the same time as it took for this wave 2 to play out. So that is definitely a long amount of time. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, we really don't have a break of structure yet, so we really can't even say for sure that this is the end of a wave 3 on the monthly. It does look like this move down should be a wave A, it does look like this move up should be a wave B, and it does look like it should go down again for a wave C, making that ABC a 4. But like I said, we do have to be cautious because the fact that it rejected structure also tells me that there is a possibility that it just keeps on drifting up, making higher highs and higher lows. Going down to the daily that is. On the daily, you can very clearly see 5 ways down. It looks like it should be a wave A. This definitely looks like it should be an A, a B, and a C of wave B. We do have a turn right here, but I mean, it's really not that convincing that it really is the end of an A, B, C, or B. I would like to see like a lower high or something like that to really prove that we are going back down for the bigger wave C, like I was explaining on the weekly time frame. So going down to the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely do have one, two, three waves up, one, two, three waves down, and then one, two, three, four, five up. It actually looks like a little bit of a flat pattern, really. Now, we have to be careful, like I said, because if this makes it a pulse move up and breaks structure, I actually think that's going to invalidate this being a wave C. And if that's the case, we better start going long again. But until something like that happens, I would be looking at this as possibly being the end of a wave C. If it is the end of a wave C, then it will make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So probably for now, at least until we get an impulsive move up, we should probably be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, so far we're definitely making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows. It is definitely still trending, and I would definitely still continue to look for shorts unless it did go up and take out a high. If it does go up and take out a high, then that would make me a buyer and make it so I would not be looking for shorts anymore. But since that hasn't happened, and since it looks like we possibly had the end of an ABC correction, we better continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks, especially ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.